Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone will fine. In this video I'm going to share with all of you advanced English vocabulary. Let's get started. First we have that is obtain. Obtain mean acquire or get. Obtain. Obtain mean acquire or get. Second we have remove. Remove mean eliminate. Eliminate. Remove. Remove mean eliminate. Third, we have monitor. Monitor mean observe. Observe or watch. Observe or watch. Four, we have access. Access mean reach, gain, entry to, tap into. Accesses. Accesses mean reach, gain, entry to, tap into. Five we have that is comprehend. Comprehend, that is mean understand, grasp. Grasp or understand. Six we have that is consider. Six we have that is consider. Consider mean ponder or contemplate. Contemplate mean consider. Consider, ponder, contemplate. Seven is frame. Frame mean structure. Structure, sketch. Frame. Frame mean structure. Next word that we have communicate. Communicate mean convey. Convey or express. Convey or express. The meaning of communicate is convey or express. Nine we have involve. Involve mean include or engage. Involve. Involve mean include or engage. 10 we have that is process. Process, handle. Process mean handle, deal with. Process. Process mean handle or deal with. 11 is stabilize. Stabilizes mean steady. Stabilize mean steady or balance. Stabilize, steady or balance. 12 we have that is advocate. Advocate mean support. Educate. Educate mean support. 13 we have that is require. Require mean necessitate. Necessitate. Call for. Require mean necessitate or call for. 14 we have that is exclude. Exclude mean omit. Omit, leave out. Leave out. Exclude. Exclude mean omit or leave out. 15 we have that is extract. Extract. Extract mean remove, draw out. Draw out. 15 we have that is extract. Extract mean remove, draw out. Remove, draw out. 16 we have purchase. Purchase, buy. Purchase. Purchase mean buy. Perceive. Perceive mean notice. Perceive. Perceive mean notice. Claim. Claim mean assert, maintain. Claim. Claim mean assert or maintain. Next we have that is 19. Demonstrate. Demonstrate mean show, exhibit, display. Show or exhibit. Demonstrate mean show, exhibit, display. 20 we have that is figure out. Figure out mean solve, work out, understand. 20 that is figure out, solve, work out, understand. The meaning of figure out is solve, work out, and understand. 21st we have that is detect. Detect mean discover. Detect. Detect mean discover, spot. Detect, discover, spot. The meaning of detect is discover and the spot or just spot. 22nd we have attribute. Attribute to. Attribute mean ascribe. Ascribe to. Ascribe to. 23rd state. State mean declare. State. State mean declare. 24 we have that is locate. Locate mean pinpoint or spot. Locate. Locate mean pinpoint or spot. 25 we have, that is grant. Grant mean give, bestow. Bestow or confer. Grant mean give, bestow or confer. 26 we have, that is compose, create, construct. The meaning of compose is create or construct. 27 we have, that is generate, produce, create. The meaning of generate is produce or create. 28 we have, that is adapt. Adapt mean adjust. Adapt mean acclimatize. 29 we have, that is indicate. Indicate mean show. Indicate mean show. 30, select mean choose or opt for. Next word we have, that is 31st, deduct means subtract. Deduct, the meaning of deduct is subtract. Next word we have, 32nd, identify mean recognize. Identify mean recognize. 33rd, that we have, that is subject to mean exposed to. Subject to mean exposed to. 34 we have, conclude mean end, finish, complete. 35, interfere, mediate. Intervene mean interfere or mediate. 36 we have, that is recall mean remember or recollect. Recall mean remember or recollect. 37 we have, that is administer mean manage, oversee, supervise. The meaning of administer mean manage, oversee, supervise. 38, that is decline or decline mean refuse, reject, turn down. Decline mean refuse, reject, turn down. 39 we have, that is illustrate mean demonstrate. Exemplify. Illustrate mean demonstrate, exemplify. 40 we have, signify mean indicate or denote. Signify mean indicate or denote. 41st, that is justify mean explain, rationalize. Justify mean explain or rationalize. 42nd we have, that is legislate mean make laws, enact. Legislate mean make laws, enlist. 43rd, that is confine mean restrict, limit, constrain mean restrict. Confine mean restrict, limit, constrain. Predict mean forecast, foresee, anticipate. Predict mean forecast, foresee, anticipate. 45 we have, that is focus on mean concentrate on. 46 we have, that is substitute or substitute, replace or swap. 47 we have, that is participate in mean take part in. Occupy. 48 we have, that is occupy, inhabit mean reside in, take off. 48 mean that occupy, inhabit, reside in, take off. 49 is acknowledge mean recognize or admit. Baptidate is investigate mean examine, prove, look into. Investigate mean examine, prove, look into. 50 past is compress mean consist of. Contact mean get in touch with. Next is 53rd, originate. Originate from mean stem from or arise from. 54 we have that is compensate. Compensate for mean that is make up for. 55. 55 is expand. Expand, enlarge, broaden. Expand mean enlarge or broaden. 56 we have that is submit. Submit mean present. Hand in. Submit. Submit mean present or hand in. Conduct. Conduct is the meaning of conduct is carry out, perform or execute. Execute mean conduct. 58 is constitute. Compose, make up. Compose or make up. 59 we have that is enforce. Enforce is implement. Implement. Enforce. Resolve mean settle. Settle or solve. Resolve mean settle or solve.